Here's a pair of Sony earbuds, model number WF-C510. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Pioneer 4K Smart XUMO TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to your settings on your XUMO TV. If you have this remote here, you have a settings gear icon settings button here, or you can just navigate to the home screen and go up there. All right, so I'm just going to go right to settings. And then from here, we're going to go down to picture and sound. Okay on the remote. From here, we're going to go down to audio settings right there. Okay on the remote. From here, we're going to scroll all the way down to Bluetooth devices right there. Okay on the remote. Now you see available devices. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So let's hurry up and put these into pairing mode. If you look at this case here on the back, there's a button here, okay? What we want is a LED light that blinks blue, 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 which indicates it's in pairing mode, okay? So let's put this in pairing mode, make sure the buds are in here, open the case up, and then press and hold this button in the back. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, and keep holding it till it blinks blue, 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 okay? I'm still holding here. Blue, 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 blue. Now we'll go back on here and wait till it, and there it is right there. WF-C510, let's okay that. Let's pair it. Oh, there it popped up right there. So we are now connected and ready to go. Now, if you guys had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.